Rais Ruto NATARIRITIE NJIRA MWANYA iria ikathingatirwo akienda gutumira kigina kia nthiguru kiria gikuoneka na boni nyuma ya rwaria rwa mwaka juju rwa kigina ni finance bill kurema gukuruka rais kiri Ûgambi bwawe NATARIRITIE KUNIYIA UTUMIRI bwa MBECA kiri thirikari amwe na gutigana na wandiki bwa antu bangi nongerete kinya kugwatithania biuthurano kana corporations 47 kenda gwitaita utumiri bwa mbeca cha mwingi akiuga ntukone ite kuraja agatumiria njira ingi cha gutethia kunyiya utumiri bwa mbeca cha mwingi. Boniface Mongera na kurikithia
Akĩarĩria nthiguru thamboja cia ntukwena rukumagaro newe Rais Ruto na atumirite mawaruku nkabo njira ja kethro je mumbithia kuingia ntukiro chonthe cha kuthithia ungurumania ni nyankoroki sainsi guchikera kire thirikari newe Makiritigere ntubwambere na bonene buru na ugite muritungo yonde thirikari urukithitio kro miaka 60 gakethirwa kirongi kwa ngugi na mpongeri ejo athikirira kirobicine weri nyobicine che thirikari bakethirwa benyiwa na mungana jo 50
budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed. The decision to fill the position of Chief Administrative Secretaries is hereby suspended.
Kenge, Rais na shokete kwa kethirwa kigita bajeti kirobisi o Rais karina gichongo presidency na mungana jo 50 na nyankoroki kiri bajeti ya witho ireji kenenya confidential irede ritumika mono kirobisi ne weni nyobisi ne chokalia ikethirwa ikebeberuo
47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved, resulting in the elimination of their operational and maintenance costs, and their functions will be integrated into the respective line ministries. Staff currently employed by the affected corporations will be transferred to ministries and other state agencies within government.
Safari nacio xiome nthiguru kirito ba thirikari ishirikene kethirwa chinyenyia aria kethombera kathari acokete aringa marufuku arito ba thirikari kwethirwa bithia michango na harambe.
The Attorney General is hereby directed to prepare and submit legislation to this effect and develop a mechanism for structured and transparent contributions for public, charitable, and philanthropic purposes. The purchase of new motor vehicles by the government is suspended for 12 months, except for security agencies, while a new policy on transport for public officers will be developed.
Na nonto na kuatiri musoro jo finance bill mwaka jo 2024 jurumbira kwethirwa joiringana nthiguru na finance act mwaka jo 2023 ni kethirwa itumika aria bilioni 346 ikwethirwa ikendekana kenda kujuriria kao Rais Ruto na ugite bilioni 177 kethirwa cikionekana kumania gucikira guku iwingi ciri iguru aikethirwa cirombero loni.
We will use the money that we will borrow to protect funding for some of the critical areas that the people of Kenya have asked me to protect. They include hiring of junior secondary school teachers and medical interns, funding the milk stabilization program for our dairy farmers, reviving our stalled road projects that are in many parts of Kenya, retaining the fertilizer subsidy program, additional funding for higher education, new funding model that was in our plan will now receive additional funding, settling arrears owed to counties, settling arrears for NGCDF, and settling arrears for our pensions.
Mogarũrũku ja jonthe najo na jangi ja maingi nyaja kuhusiana itibi otongeria jara Rais Ruto kwijejete citito jumanite na musukumo jo mrejo maandamano kumakire nduke mbethe kwa kagita kabime biere nke reporter Ntosheru TV Njuma kuma ja kingine kine kimusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.